How to use focus mode on iPhone. Focus mode on iPhone helps you limit distractions by controlling which notification and apps can disturb you during specific times or activities like sleep, work, driving, and many more. So here is how to use it. Customize focus mode. Swipe down the control center from the top right corner of your screen for the newer iPhones, and for the older iPhones, swipe off from the bottom. Now tap on the focus mode moon icon labeled as do not disturb or labeled focus. Choose a mode, do not disturb, sleep, work, personal, or create a custom focus. Example of use: if you make a work focus, only allow Slack and email notification during office hours. If you use sleep focus, silence everything except emergency calls. If you use custom focus for studying, fitness, travel, or social time. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.